color picker in ActivInspire allows you to fully customize every page of your flip chart with any color you wish. To access the color picker, begin with the color palette in your main toolbox. Right-click on any of the default colors within the palette and select the eyedropper, also known as the color picker. Notice that your cursor changes and a small window appears. Whatever you hover over with your cursor will be reflected as close-up pixels within the color picker window. When the square at the center of the window shows the desired color, click to add it to the color palette. It will replace the color that previously held that position, and the cursor will revert to the Select tool. You may then use the new color with the Fill tool, the Pen tool, for shapes, and more. You may always go to Settings to reset your toolbox. The color picker works with the Text tool in use as well. Use it for either the text color or the text background color.